In this Finma AI review, I'll be covering 7 crucial things you need to know about this newly released AI software. If you've been hearing a lot about Finma and wondering if it's really as good as people say, then stick with me till the end of this video, because I'm going to give you an honest breakdown. And yes, you can try Finma completely free with the link in the description below. Now, what's all the hype about? Finma AI promises to change the game when it comes to automating your workflow, and honestly, it's packed with powerful features that can streamline everything from content creation to social media management. If you're tired of spending hours on repetitive tasks, you'll want to keep watching to understand how Finma can help. One of the first things that sets Finma apart is its user-friendly interface. Unlike some AI tools that overwhelm you with complicated dashboards and confusing options, Finma is designed with simplicity in mind. Whether you're a digital marketer or a small business owner, you'll appreciate how easy it is to get started. I've worked with plenty of AI software over the years, and this one does a great job at reducing the learning curve. Secondly, Finma shines in the area of automation. With just a few clicks, you can automate processes like content generation, social media posting, and even email marketing. This alone can save you countless hours, especially for anyone who's managing multiple accounts or businesses. If you've ever wished there was a tool that could take over repetitive tasks, Finma is definitely worth checking out. One feature I find extremely useful is its analytics tool. It's not just about creating content, but understanding how it performs. Finma provides real-time analytics, helping you track the success of your campaigns and optimize them for better results. This is crucial if you want to grow your online presence and make informed decisions based on data. But what really makes Finma stand out is its AI-driven content generation. It's capable of creating high-quality, relevant content that resonates with your audience. From blog posts to social media updates, the AI is able to generate text that feels natural, engaging, and most importantly, relevant to your niche. It's like having an assistant who knows exactly what your audience wants and is always on point with the messaging. Now, let's talk about integration. Finma is compatible with various third-party tools, which makes it a versatile solution for anyone already using other digital marketing platforms. Whether it's connecting with Google Analytics or syncing your social media accounts, Finma seamlessly integrates with your existing workflow, making the transition smooth and hassle-free. For those worried about cost, I've got good news. You can actually try Finma AI completely free. So, before committing, you can dive in and explore the features for yourself. This makes it a no-brainer for anyone who wants to test drive an AI tool before making a financial investment. Lastly, I'll touch on customer support. Finma offers excellent support with fast response times and a helpful team that's always ready to assist. Whether you have a technical issue or just need some guidance on how to use a feature, you're never left in the dark. To sum it up, Finma AI is a game changer for anyone looking to automate their digital marketing efforts. With its easy-to-use interface, powerful automation tools, real-time analytics, and AI-driven content generation, it's definitely a tool worth considering. Plus, with a free trial available, you've got nothing to lose by giving it a shot. As a digital marketing expert who's tried and tested thousands of AI tools, I can confidently say that Finma AI is one of the best new software releases out there. If you want to give it a try for yourself, click the link in the description below. And while you're there, check out the other AI tools I recommend after working with so many of them. Happy automating!